I'm surprised the skip is still rolling. Usually about this time it's already dead. I just got done with a net up on lower 36, and usually I turn it off by now, but it's still rolling full steam out here in California. I don't know how it'd be down your way, but it's still coming full blast. Anyways, yeah, I normally have this thing off by now, but anyways, yeah, about 12 miles east of Fresno. Nice to hear you. You've got a good, clean audio there.
All right, awesome. Well, I'm getting it recorded on this end, and yeah, you've got a good, strong, awesome signal here into Arkansas this evening. You're about 10 over. I think you were like S9 to 10 over the last couple go-rounds, but I'm listening at about 13K on either side, so I'm really wide, so you'll be able to hear everything. But go ahead, give me some more chatter.
Yeah, I'm just running a 80-tone quad 6 with some audio processing. Most of it's just CLR systems. And a 5/8 ground plane up about 35 feet, serial gain master. And I'm running a couple 100 watts out the door.
Well, I'll tell you, the CRL systems, boy, I have wanted to get my hands on some of that stuff. That's some quality stuff right there. But yeah, it's definitely sounding really, really, really good. That vintage sound, that vintage 80s sound. That's the way you want it right there.
Yeah, but I'm never satisfied. It's always a work in progress, at least as well I'm concerned. Yeah, these things here, you got to make sure they're running the way they should, and make sure they're the capacitors ain't dried out. And I bought these used about 4 or 5 years ago, and I take really good care of them. At least I try to. And I got them in here. I got the peak modulation controller, and the spectral energy processor, and the audio gain controller.
Well, it is working. I will tell you that right now. When you're up in here, it's crystal clean audio, I gotta say. So it's working well for you. No two ways about that. But yeah, that's about the only thing that you really need to worry about with those things, unless they overheat or whatever, which rarely ever happens. It's really mainly the capacitors, and that's about it.
I concur. Sounds great.
Yeah, I kind of fade out. I mean, yeah, these processors, they're meant to be ran 24/7, which I don't. You know, I just do it on the weekends only. So I'm not going to stress them out like they probably were in some kind of radio station, I guess. But anyways, they do what they're supposed to do. At least I try to keep them up to snuff and up to what I like. But it's always like I said, it's always work in progress. Hey, 124, I'm going to get out of here. Thanks for the long-distance radio check, and I'll definitely look for that audio clip on your website. I enjoyed today's post about that. I can never do that myself. I always have to, I can't do it. I tried mechanical and solder. I tried them both. I can never get it correct, so I just have them pre-made. Whenever I buy them, I just have them pre-made. Don't worry about it. But anyways, I enjoyed the video too as well. You take it easy, and I'll talk to you later when the skip rolls your way.
Alright, sounds good. Well, I'm telling you, that is about 50% of the time they don't work out for me either, so I'm just telling it like it is, mainly. So anyway, I'll get this posted up here. You can take a look at it. I think you'll be very satisfied with what you hear, for sure. So anyway, 305 out there on the West Coast, you take it easy. Hopefully we'll catch you again another time. 124 here in Arkansas. I'll be out on the side break.
Check, AR 124. Talk to you later. 305 out here on the west side, central San Joaquin Valley. We'll be stepping.